in college algebra, we worked another partial fraction problem. Maybe hit pause and try and do what you can on this problem. So to start out, think about the factors. I was thinking of step 2. Factors of the denominator. What could I multiply by to get that denominator? I could multiply by x squared plus 1. I could also multiply by x squared plus 1 squared. And there's nothing else I can multiply by other than 1. I mean, arguably I can multiply by 1 to get that denominator that I printed there. So that means we need 2 fractions. One fraction with that first factor, another fraction with that second factor. Those factors are quadratic. They have a x squared in them. That means for my numerator, I don't just write some unknown like a. I need to write something linear with an x to the first power. You go down 1 power. So ax plus b. Same with the second fraction. I have another quadratic expression, so I need a linear expression up top. Cx plus d. All right, step 2, multiply by the common denominator. If I multiply the entire thing by that, it's always whatever is printed in the denominator in the problem. And when I distribute that, the left side always ends up with just the numerator left. If that doesn't happen, then you somehow messed up. The first fraction, I'm just going to rewrite it. Times the common denominator. Then we have the second fraction. Rewrite that one. That one cleans up really nice. All of that just cancels. Well, except for the C and the D. So do some cross-canceling, multiply things out, maybe hit pause. This goes away, that goes away. This whole thing goes away. And we're left with this. Now you got to be careful here. We're going to go ax times both of those. So ax times x squared is ax cubed. Ax times 1. B times x squared. B times 1. And then just cx plus d. So now we're on step 4. I need to create a system based on like terms. And to start out, I see a like term here, and that's it. So that's my first equation. 5 equals a. That's an actual answer, that equation. Kind of nice. So maybe if you don't have colors, just cross these out as you go. That way you know not to use them again. I see some x squareds. So there's 1, and there's 1. I know -3 equals b. Also a nice deal. Maybe cross those out so we don't accidentally use those. Next up, we have our x's. There we have a actual equation to work on. So we know 7 equals a plus c. And then lastly, I have my constants. Everything that's left. The nice thing is this works out very easily because I already have 2 answers. I know A and I know B. Now just plug that 5 into the purple. So I know 7 equals 5 plus c, therefore c must be 2. Plug that -3 into the orange, and you have d. So d must be 0. And we're done. So write those in the original fractions you wrote. So we know 5x minus 3 over x squared plus 1 plus 2x, and there's a 0, plus 0. I'm not writing it though. Over that. And that's it. See y'all later.